Alright guys, so I'm pretty excited. I finally got my front lip in the mail and I just want to install it right now, but I'm at work, but I have to wait until my lunch break to install it. Alright, packages. That's it? There's no like, hold up. No foam, nothing. Okay, the packaging was ass. Woo! Oh man, I'm happy. I get way too excited about shit like this. Oh man, this is nice. The paint is actually really good. Oh, this is gonna look great. That's so glossy. Dude. Alright, let's take out the other pieces. So the fitment is kind of weird. The lips I usually have has the two holes right here, and then I just like snap this on, but this one goes like further back. Hopefully it fits good. Woo. That looks, oh shit, scared the fuck out of it. Man, I already got hair. All over it. All right, let's just fast forward to the install. Like put one end, focus, one end, another end, and then go down. So this part's pretty easy. This end, you have those two holes. Those two holes, you just want to line it up with these two screws, the little ones, compared to those, you know, that are significantly smaller. With these, you want to twist them in there, so then it can look like that. I already got dog hair all over this thing, bro. Like, what the fuck? Alright. So put together, looks really good. Looks like it's gonna fit nice. So I have this one pretty good. I feel like it's sticking out a little bit more on this side. Yeah, then I get this side the same. It's gonna bother me. So the install process was super easy. This took me about 20 minutes. I got fingerprints all over it, so I gotta clean it up. There's about 3 screws there, 3 screws there, and 4 screws in the middle. I mean, it looks pretty good though, compared to my other look.